Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video, we will discuss about the human nervous system. The human nervous system is like a manager inside our body. Its job is to control and coordinate the various parts of the body to work together to do their job at the right time. The human nervous system is broadly categorized into two types. One is the central nervous system, another is peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system comprises of brain and spinal cord, while as this peripheral nervous system, it comprises of spinal and cranial nerves. This PNS, it is further divided into two types, that is the autonomous nervous system and voluntary nervous system, that we will discuss in the later part of this video. First, we will discuss this central nervous system, which is composed of brain and spinal cord. So far as the brain is concerned, it's a soft whitish structure located in the skull. It's protected by a bony case, or you may say a bony box, called as cranium, or you may say the brain box. This brain, it's also covered by three membranes. These membranes, they are known as meninges. These layers or these meninges, they are filled by a fluid. That fluid is known as cerebrospinal fluid. Its job is to protect the brain against the mechanical shocks and injuries. The normal brain weighs about 1350 grams. This brain, it's divided into three main parts. One is the forebrain, other is midbrain, and third one is hindbrain. This forebrain, it's mainly composed of cerebrum, which almost consists of 80% of the brain. It's the main site of thinking of the brain. It also coordinates, or it is the site for learning, reasoning, intelligence, etc. The midbrain, it's a very small portion consisting of two thick fibrous tracts, that's optic lobes and cerebral peduncles. The midbrain coordinates the reflex movements of head, neck, and trunk in response to the visual and auditory stimulus. The hindbrain, it's divided into three parts. One is the cerebellum, another is the pons, and third one is the medulla oblongata. The role of the cerebrum is to maintain the posture and balance of the body. It coordinates the smooth body movements like walking, dancing, riding a bicycle, etc. The bones, it helps in regulating the respiration. The medulla oblongata helps in controlling the involuntary actions like heartbeat, peristaltic movements, blood pressure, etc. The spinal cord, it's a whitish cylindrical structure which is in continuation to the medulla oblongata and extends downwards. This spinal cord, it's covered by bony cage. That bony cage is known as the vertebral column. The spinal cord, it helps in the reflex actions and coordinates the nerve impulses to and from the brain. So far as the peripheral nervous system is concerned, it comprises all the nerves of the body, that is the spinal nerves, the cranial nerves and the visceral nerves. The spinal nerves, these are the nerves which arise from the spinal cord. They are distributed, or rather they extend between the spinal cord and throughout the body. These nerves, they contain both sensory and motor neurons, so they are known as the mixed nerves. And there are as many as 31 pairs of spinal nerves in man. Cranial nerves, these are the nerves which arise from the brain and extend between the brain and the parts of the skull, except the 10th cranial nerve which extends to the abdomen. There are as many as 12 pairs of cranial nerves in a man. This peripheral nervous system, it's divided into two types. That's the autonomous nervous system and voluntary nervous system. The word autonomous is composed of two words, that's auto and nomos. Auto means self and nomos means govern. So it's a self-governing nervous system. It coordinates the working of the different organs without our knowledge. That's automatically. For example, our heart beats or we breathe without our knowledge, without being conscious about these activities. Or you may say, you cannot tell your heart to stop for a while beating. It will continuously beat without our knowledge. And another is the voluntary nervous system. The voluntary nervous system is that part of the peripheral nervous system in which we do actions with our knowledge, with the conscious mind. For example, I have to speak to a friend or write a letter to one of my friends. So it's a conscious effort, so it comes under the voluntary nervous system. Hope from this video you have learned about the human nervous system. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.